Hi, my name is Manuel Suarez and I am the CEO and founder of a marketing company called AGM. AGM stands for Attention Grabbing Media. One of the things that we do really well here at AGM is create, grow, and scale e-commerce companies. And over the last couple of years, our number one platform to be able to scale has been Shopify, and our number one app that we've been using to help transform our business overall has been Zipify. Zipify gave me this beautiful award, and it's called the $1 Million Merchant, which means that one brand have processed more than $1 million in revenue through their apps. So it's been an incredible platform. It has solved some problems that we had. For example, if somebody would come in after all that hard work of digital advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and all these things that we do to get people there, I would miss out on the most important window on an entire customer journey, and that's the window where they already gave us their credit card information. Zipify, one of the main things that they rolled out is an app called One Click Upsell. I'll show you one of the things that we've done over here over the years. I am inside the Shopify channel. Last 30 days of statistics, $10,000 generated with the One Click Upsell app. If we go over here and we look at lifetime, One Click Upsell has made you an extra $142,000, $371.76. This is something that is going to help you increase your average order value a lot and increase your profit from your hard work. As I mentioned, I'm a big e-commerce seller myself. We do have a lot of other things going on, brick and mortar stores, and I have our own call centers. But just in e-commerce, we did over $50 million in revenue. Zipify has helped us boost that by almost 10%, just because we integrated the apps with our Shopify channels. Here's an example of one. This one right here, if you look at the dates over here, this is inside Shopify. This is 2020, and we were able to do $5.5 million in sales. When you look at this individual right here, you can see that we have $5.5 million in sales, and we got a total of 12,392 orders. This right here was processed mainly through Zipify, all of it. So this is something that we do every single day, and Zipify is a big part of it. We wouldn't be the same without Zipify apps. So I highly recommend this app. We use Zipify in many different areas. We now have the ability to create landing pages connected with our Shopify site natively, so we can promote individual products very easily and have upsells going on. When somebody adds one product to their cart, we can add a second one and a third one and promote these moments, very unique moments that you are not gonna be able to replicate very easily. So that's something that we do over here. Also, it allows you to do things like pre-sales. When somebody is shopping on the site, it promotes individual things before that person starts their checkout process. Again, I'm a big fan of Zipify. I'm a big fan of what the company is doing to make it easier for us as e-commerce entrepreneurs to scale our business, our brands in this era of opportunity in 2021. Digital marketing has been such an important, incredible platform for all of us to be able to generate revenue and keep our companies going during very difficult times that the world has been going through recently. That's my opinion on Zipify apps. I'm a big fan of it. I'm looking forward to new developments on the platform so we can get better and better results along the way. I'm all in with Zipify apps.